Hey everyone, welcome to Web Solution. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to turn on BIGO Live notifications. So let's get started. First, launch Open Settings on your mobile device. Scroll down until you find Apps. Tap on it. Now select Manage Apps option. Scroll down until you find BIGO Live option. Tap on it. Scroll down a little and then tap on Notifications option. To turn on BIGO Live notification, enable Show Notifications option. And this is how you can turn on BIGO Live notifications. Thanks for watching Web Solution. If you like this video, hit the like button and drop a comment with any questions or feedback. If you are new, subscribe and click the bell icon to stay updated on our future videos.